Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to see how to crochet the bookmark. This bookmark has ruffles and also a tassel. So let's see how to crochet this. I'm going to start with a slip knot. To make a slip knot, I'll wrap this yarn around it and then we're going to pull it like this. And we'll pull the short end and make the loop smaller. Then insert your hook into this. Now I'm going to make 6 chains. Now here we're going to skip the first chain and into the second chain from the hook I'm going to make one single crochet. So we're going to insert hook into the second chain, yarn over and pull up a loop. You have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through both the loops. So this is the first one. Into the next stitch make one single crochet, and like this into each chain stitch we're going to make one single crochet. Now you have total 5 single crochets. To start the next round we're going to make one chain, turn the work. Now for this round I'm going to make single crochet into the back loops only. So here this is the back loop. Into this I'm going to make one single crochet, same in the next stitch into the back loop. So this is the second row. For the third row, chain 1, turn over and one single crochet in each stitch into the back loop. Now you're going to repeat the same steps and make as many rows as you want as per the length of your book. So I've made 26 rows. Now I'm going to stop here. So we'll make one chain and we'll cut off the extra yarn. Then we're going to hide in the loose end. Now I'll take the off-white color yarn and I'm going to insert my hook into this gap right here. Then we'll place the yarn like this, yarn over, and we'll pull through that stitch. I'll make one chain. Then we're going to make 4 half double crochets into the first stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through all of them. Like this we're going to make 4 half double crochets into that fourth stitch. Then we're going to make slip stitch into the next stitch. Then into the next stitch we'll make 4 half double crochets. slip stitch into the next stitch, 4 half double crochets into the next one, then we'll make a slip stitch into this here. Then into this gap right here, I'm going to make 4 half double crochets. Then into this gap we're going to make a slip stitch. So we are working in the middle of both the stitches. Into this gap I'll make 4 half double crochets. And just like this I'm going to complete it all around. So I've made the ruffles. Now I'm going to cut the extra yarn. And we're going to hide the loose end. Now we're going to make tassel. So I'm using the blue yarn. So what I'm going to do is I'll insert the hook into the middle right here, and then first I'm going to make a slip knot. Then we'll pull this knot through that stitch, and we're going to make chains. I'm going to make 10 chains. After making the chains we're going to cut a long tail. Then I'm going to take the yarn and I'll start wrapping it around my 4 fingers. So I did this for a total of 14 times. Now I'm going to cut the extra yarn. Now what I'm going to do is I'll use the yarning needle and we're going to go inside like this, and then we're going to go into the back, into the first stitch. And we're going to do it for 2 more times. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap this yarn around like this. I'm going to do this for a total of 3 to 4 times. Now at the back we're going to hide it. And here We're going to cut this from the middle. And then we're going to make sure they are of equal length. And we're done with the tutorial. I hope you liked this video. Let me know in the comment section how it went for you, and thank you for watching the video.